welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, my papu. Say hi.
Hello.
So today we're gonna go ahead and do a cooking sesh with Chloe and Pops.
Ooh, that sounds great.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try and recreate the new drink at Starbucks, the dragon fruit drink. And so, yeah, are you ready to create it?
Absolutely, ready to go.
Okay, so as we go, I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients. And usually you can add coconut milk or lemonade. We're gonna go ahead and use coconut milk at the end of this, but let's go ahead and start up. So first we have all of our ingredients. We have dragon fruit smoothie packets, and these are just little packets that we're gonna be using. We each use one packet each. You can get these at Kroger or Target. We have mango juice. You can get that anywhere.
You know, you're right.
And then we also have a white grape juice. And for fun, we have our coconut milk that we're gonna add to at the end.
Sounds great.
All right. This recipe makes a venti drink from Starbucks. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with Papu. What are we starting off with, Papu?
This is our grape juice.
Do it. So we have the white grape juice that we're gonna start off with. This one's heavier anyways. All right, so we went ahead and poured 1 cup of white grape juice into our cups, just like so. And now we have our mango juice, which we used half a cup of. Do you want me to do that one? And Papu's pouring in his mango juice. Good job, Pops.
It smells good.
Yeah. And then we have our half a cup of dragon fruit smoothie packet. I went ahead and melted a little bit of it, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that into our cup too. So now after all that is done, we're gonna go ahead and shake it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller cup and place it in here and shake it up. Okay, go over the sink and shake our drinks. So we're just gonna kind of go like that. Pops, I think yours turned out better.
It looks the same to me.
All right, 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and get us some ice cubes. Okay. I'll go ahead and wipe this off once. Like we're done.
Now we're gonna have to clean up.
Wait, we need a videotape that 1 second.
Oh, okay.
All right, so now that I went ahead and shook up our drink, we're actually, oh, the coconut milk. Now that I went ahead and shook up the drink, it looks like this. And we're gonna go ahead and add some coconut milk. I don't know how much to add though. A half a cup, you think?
Go for it. Try it.
Is that too much though?
Just put like a quarter of a cup.
Okay.
Half a cup.
Okay, we're gonna do a quarter of the cup. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Just pour it in there.
Okay. Ooh, pretty, Papu.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at how gorgeous this looks. I don't know, maybe there should be a little more, don't you think? I think maybe just a little bit.
Go for it.
I'll add a little bit more to yours too. Now we're gonna go on ahead and add our ice in. So we have the ice. I'm gonna go ahead and add that on in. Do you want me to pour it? So then it doesn't go everywhere?
Here you go.
Okay. So then we're gonna go ahead and pour it. Ooh! Yaya's gonna get mad at us. All right. Look at how venti this is. We actually also poured some out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and shake it again and I think put it in a new cup, and we're gonna go ahead and come back and try it. All right, guys, so I went ahead and mixed it up. We might need a little bit more coconut milk because it doesn't look as white as it should. But we're gonna go ahead and try it now.
Here we go, for your health.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Very good.
Wow.
Delicious.
High five.
Good job.
You did a good job. All right, guys. So those are the ingredients. I'll go ahead and list everything down below and where to find everything. Most of the stuff is Walmart, Target, Kroger, anywhere you can find it. Nothing really unique. Isn't it good?
Very good.
Yeah. So this is gonna save you money on your dragon fruit drink because I've been getting them every day and I'm super excited that now I can just go and make them now at home. If you'd like to see cooking time with Pops and Chloe again, then go ahead and like, comment, and let us know if you'd like to keep seeing that. And go ahead and subscribe down below. And yeah, do you think you'd cook back with me again?
Joey, absolutely, anytime you're ready.
All right. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Start the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can